And they told me I don't need to worry. Someone came like singing, so sweet, little girl.
Police, open up!
What do you want?
We just want to talk.
You have a warrant?
No, but just come outside. We want to talk with you.
I don't want to talk. How many of you are there?
There's 2 of us, sir.
Go then, talk to each other.
So if you're a beginner in trading the Forex market or the stock market and you have no idea how to analyze a chart, let me give you the simplest strategy. So we call it the ABCD pattern, and it's one of the most basic patterns you can learn in the market. And it goes like this: A, B, clone this, paste it forward, and now you have C, D, A, B, C, D. So all this pattern tells you is that this is an equivalent move to this, so when price gets to here where the pattern ends, we should likely see another downturn like we did here. So now get this, watch what happens when price reaches that final D point. You can see we can't get past it and we do start turning back down. Now go make some money.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Using the products that spin the market and do 99% of the work for us to call our own trades. Congratulations! You've just earned $3,000 on your JPY.
So if you trade Forex or stocks, let me show you one of the cool rules that I use so that I never enter a trade too early. So I call this the 382 rule. Never enter on a pullback unless we've retraced 38% off the highs. So the way we measure this is that we go to our Fibonacci retracement tool and we go from the lowest point to the highest point on any swing. So the tool basically tells you how much price has retraced off of the highs. So for example, that 382 represents a 38% drop from the highs, and so on and so forth. For example, if we were considering buying this, we probably shouldn't because we haven't touched that 382 level yet, and so it may be too early. Now, if we were looking at something like this, we would be okay because in both of these examples, we've retraced past that 382 level. The reason we do this is because most swings pull back at least 38% off of their highs. So if you're buying any time before that, you're probably buying too early and you're going to be stressing out.
Girl, you have a perfect body with a perfect smile. Perfect body with a perfect smile.
Perfect body with a perfect smile. Perfect body with a perfect smile.
Here are some 1 in a million coincidences that you won't believe happened. This butterfly landed on the page about itself. These two trucks that were driving next to each other ended up spelling Taylor Swift. This news reporter looks exactly like the criminal. This guy's phone case looks identical to this girl's outfit. This marker looks exactly like their teacher. This car almost got hit by this tree, but thankfully the tree has a curve in it. This guy who's dressed up like Mario also looks like Mario. These people aren't even friends, but Facebook put them together and it completed the picture perfectly. This alligator is eating a fish, and the fish is eating a fish. Here's a dog taking a nap. Maybe you'll get it, maybe you won't. And this couple realized they were in each other's photos a few years before they met. Like for part 2.
Зимой. Давай обниматься-то. Обниматься давай.
Hello, I'm Zed, prototype of the ZX line and the future of stand-up comedy. Well, what kind of audience do we have here this evening? Anyone on a first date? Good! Any football supporters? Good! Anyone from out of town? Good! Where are you from, sir? Good! Always glad to meet someone from your town.
On his inside, and we still haven't seen the acceleration yet from Noah Lyles. Now he's coming through. He's got all the talent in the world.
Talk to me, boy. Talk to me, boy.
¿Qué pasa? ¿Tú tienes el control?
Ahí está.
¿Tú me das el control? Pápame, por. Yo me conecto de aquí. Vamos a ver qué
Aquí lo
podemos
tienes.
hacer en esta pequeña alberca. Se conecta. Está control, conexión. Ahí ya. Estamos listos. As 4 presas. Queria um choque térmico.
Hey guys, my name is Noah Ford and I'm the one who made that video, and today I'm going to teach you guys how to do that same figure 8 since so many people wanted a tutorial. So with whatever you're using, make sure you point the top of it up starting off, then going down and back up till your palm is facing upwards. When you're transferring it, you're going to do what's called a pinky to pinky grab, which means that your pinkies are basically touching, and that's how you're going to be going back and forth from side to side of the body. Make sure your feet are out of the way and slowly increase the speed.
Oh, you want to see some real speed? I'll show you some real speed.
Stay at night.